Well, we got the wonderful folks at, I think I'm saying it right, I don't know, Yita Motors, Yita Motors, Y-I-T-A Motor. They asked if they could send me the floor liner kit for my 2015 to 2017 F-150, and I'm going to go ahead and pull these out right now and show you guys what they look like. Looks like there's a extra set of these that came with it. I don't know, maybe in case yours break or wear out or you got to replace one. You get a front and back for it. Let's go ahead and see what the passenger side looks like versus the WeatherTech on the passenger. So the passenger side WeatherTech fits in there real nice. These don't have inserts in the floor on this truck, so there's these inserts. It would be nice if the snap-in points were there, but on this particular truck they're not. This liner here, this WeatherTech, it does a pretty decent job coming all the way over. It's got some give. There's a lot of room and space to move around, but overall it's a pretty decent sized fitting liner. So pull that out. It's a little bit softer material on the Yita Motor ones, and once you get it sitting down in there, comes up just a tad bit higher on the sides, and it covers about the same distance, maybe just a tad bit shorter over here, but it's not, it doesn't have the slop. It moves a little bit, but it fits a little tighter. See right there where it comes up and where it goes over by the fuse panel, how tight it is. Now with the WeatherTech, they don't quite clean up along the side as much, and it doesn't fit quite as tight here, because if you push it all the way this way, you got the gap exposed there. You put it back and push it back and you relax and you pull it all the way over to get it to sit all the way up against the side. Well, then you have the gap over here. I pull that out. The Yita Motor one, this is bolted in. It's a really nice thick piece of aluminum, so it's got a real nice stance right there. It's all the way up against it, comes all the way up under, goes all the way over to the side, and all the way back, lays down. I really like these, actually better than the WeatherTechs, to be honest with you. And that's just my take on that. I'm gonna go put the driver's side in real quick. All right, this is snapped in. See here, I can't pull it up. This one snapped in. Look at the side here, side profile, how far it comes up underneath there. Over here, and then back here in the back. Well, I got that one pulled out. Go ahead and pop this one in. Right there. Bam. This one's a tighter fit. Bam. So that's snapped in. That's snapped in. That fits real nice and snug all the way across. Doesn't go up quite as high. Pedal's gonna clear. Brake's gonna clear. Back here is much tighter. Overall, the Yita Motor ones fit much better, and they look better too. So I'm gonna have to give it to the Yita Motor floor liners here. They fit better, they fit the truck better, they look better, they feel like they're made from a little bit better material, so I got to give it to them. Let's go ahead and do the back real quick. So we'll look at the back real quick, how it fits. Yeah, we have dogs and 2 girls that drive this truck every day. They don't take care of it. So I try to put liners in here and do the best I can. And you can see it don't fit super snug. Try to push it up in there, it just rides right back where it is. That's as far as it goes. It doesn't fit all the way up against that. It's just how it is. It offers protection. It's real good, but let's see what the Yita Motors looks like. So it fits better. It's got a nice taper all the way down instead of running up the plastic because it's too long right here and right there in the middle. So it fits nicer along just to the edge of the carpet right here. And it actually seals it conforms to that hump right there in the middle better and goes up all the way under the seats to the plastic a little deeper. So I really got to give it to this liner setup. It's superior over the WeatherTech for sure. Gonna have to close the doors a little bit and let the doors hold that down so it can actually form to its downward position. It'll settle like this, but it fits this much better than the WeatherTechs do, surprisingly, because WeatherTech's a damn good liner, but these are really good. So let's just run them for a while and see how we like them. So as always, I will leave the link down below for the information, and check them out, guys. If there's any other companies out there with accessories for F-150s, Lincoln Town Cars, Grand Marquis, 2007 to 13 GMC Sierras, old Thunderbirds, whatever it may be, accessories, headers, whatever, for 5-liter Coyotes, let me know. Your boy's in the market. I'd love to do a review. These Yita Motor Floor Liners, they actually fit and feel better than the WeatherTechs I had in there. Thank you guys for sending them to me. We'll do like maybe 1 month update or a 1 week update or something, let you know. But the way they are right now, perfect. Thanks, guys. Take care. Be blessed.